So we decided to bring Toi Toi into Zealandia for a couple of reasons. So one of those reasons is that Toi Toi are also known as common bully, and so they're one of the most common freshwater fish in Aotearoa, New Zealand, but they were completely lost from the Kaiwharawhara catchment, which Zealandia is the headwaters of. So we wanted to bring back this fish species because it was missing from this freshwater ecosystem. But another reason that we wanted to bring this fish back was because of the relationship that it has with kākehi, the freshwater mussel. So Toi Toi play a really important role within the life cycle of kākehi. So we have two species of kākehi within Zealandia, Te Mara Itane, and they live up in Rotomahanga, which is the upper reservoir at Zealandia. They have a really interesting life cycle. And so the way that they reproduce is the female kākehi fertilizes her eggs internally, and then she will spit them out into the water as larvae called Glochidia. These Glochidia attach onto the fins of freshwater fish, especially Toi Toi, where they go from being tiny little Pac-Men like Glochidia to juvenile kākehi. Once they've reached a certain size, they'll drop off the fish into another part of the lake, and then they will continue that life cycle. So when we first brought kākehi into Zealandia, we thought that banded kōkapu, which we already had in the water, might be a good host. And while they do attach to these fish, the banded kōkapu tend to be more in the, stream parts of Zealandia. And also it's been shown that there's higher rates of, success in the juvenile kākehi when they're attached to Toi Toi as opposed to other native fish. The kākehi are really important almost ecosystem engineers within the freshwater ecosystem. So they can filter up to 1 litre of water each an hour. And so they're really important in keeping our freshwater clean, keeping all the pollutants out of the water. So they're really important. But then if we don't have fish like Toi Toi, then these kākehi can't exist in these ecosystems.